Kitsch Tart Cherry Perfume, hair perfume. Ooh, love. Feels like bottled confidence with a playful twist. Sleek, travel size spray, fits easily into a purse or a school bag. The first mist hits with a burst of juicy cherry, followed kind of like by soft vanilla. It leans cozy instead of sugary. The packaging is so clean and minimalistic, modern self-care. This is like, my teen is addicted to it. Dual purpose here. Hair, body, pillowcases. Odor eliminating. And it actually does neutralize that second day hair smell. So every teen is going to want this. Everybody's going to want this. It smells so good. So it sprays evenly, dries quickly, and there's like no residue in your hair if that's where you put it. But wow. The scent is so like bright cherry and subtle floral tones. And then it like melts into this creamy vanilla finish that's warm and so effortless. It's so ideal for a quick refresh between washes or, you know, if you're heading out. Just love. This is like the just washed lift on your laziest hair day. I am just in love with this. But this is going to be on every teen's holiday list. The ingredients are flirty, uplifting, and it's versatile enough for everyday wear. It is light, it is mood boosting, and it is so practical. Tart Cherry. Basically, a cherry top solution for when your hair needs a reset and your day needs a little fun. Highly recommend.